A report concerning allegations of sexual abuse that took place at the Diocese of Gaylord was released today by the Department of Attorney General. We now turn to reporter Selena Potola for more.
The release acknowledges victims' reports of abuse and the department's findings, which were derived from the information obtained from the Department of Attorney General tip line. Victim interviews, police investigations, open source media, paper documents seized from the diocese, and electronic documents found on diocese computers, as well as reports of allegations disclosed by the diocese. The list of priests within the report was derived from information extracted from a search warrant that was executed against the Diocese of Gaylord on October 3, 2018, from the tip line operated by the Department of Attorney General since 2018. This list includes 26 priests and 2 deacons. The Diocese of Gaylord ordained and incardinated 18 of these individuals. During a Zoom conference this morning with several media outlets, in response to a question regarding what was required to place an individual on the report, Criminal Justice Bureau Chief Daniel Hagman-Clark said, quote, "We needed to have somebody who made a report that was criminal in nature or related to grooming, because grooming is not considered criminal, but it is important because we believe it is a forerunner for sexual assault. And so in terms of substantiation, I would say simply having a victim who reported to us that we would be able to confirm was employed at the time within the Diocese of Gaylord, that we had information from their personnel files to be able to say that they were at this parish at that particular time, and that we had elements that made it criminal," end quote. Of the 28 priests and deacons listed, 16 are presumed dead. Among the remaining 12, 3 are in active ministry for the Diocese of Gaylord. 1 is a pastor and the other 2 are retired ministry. The allegations against those 3 clergymen involve adult victims. Criminal charges have not been filed by the Attorney General against these priests. For all 28 priests and deacons, the majority of alleged illegal conduct occurred before 2002. This report is the second of 7 reports regarding the state's diocese, with the first released on October 27, 2022, regarding the Diocese of Marquette. To ensure that past failures to report sexual abuse will never occur again, the Attorney General intends to share what is learned during the investigation. Dana Nessel stated, quote, "We are really hopeful that we are going to have our next report within the next 6 months," end quote. This is Selena Potola for ABC 10 News. Back to you in the studio.